Do you know what is the biggest scam in the world is? You have been told that to sell a high-end website in the global market, you need to spend money learning how to code. But do you want to hear the truth? In 2026, knowing hardcore coding is actually a marketing project. We let additional web developer take 30 days and charge you $5,000 contract to code a website. But some smart people building the exact same website in just 3 hours and selling it to a startup in London or Sydney for around $50. They are doing this using framework WordPress and getting completely whipped out of the global startup world. Because global tech company want speed and buttery-smooth animation, which WordPress cannot provide. Today, we are going to learn how to build a premium AI SaaS template using framework without writing a single line of code, and how to turn it into an unlimited revenue machine in the global market. The first step to build this digital asset is preparing a killer sales copy. Global buyers read your website copy before they even look at the design. You are not going to write anything yourself. Go straight to ChatGPT and feed it this exact prompt. Act as a world-class SaaS copywriter, write a bold, high-converting landing page for a financial AI startup targeting global B2B client. Include a hero section, 3 key feature, testimonial, and a strong call to action. You will see ChatGPT generate image text to professional and powerful that is read exactly like a top-tier global startup. The copy is ready. Now for step 2. Go to firma.com. The interface is simple, drag and drop, just like Canva, but the backend runs purely on React. This means whatever you draw the skin, Framer write a perfect code for it in the background. Import a basic dark cyberpunk or minimalist layout for Framer's 3 template section. Now replace the dummy text with the copy ChatGPT just gave you. Then apply Framer's real magic the animation. Add 3D rotation, scrollable or hover effect. If the background's a scalable effect, you don't need any third-party plugin, and you don't worry about side speed. Your website will look like $1 million agency project. Your template is ready. Now for the third and final step, the final deal. Take the published link of your template and head straight over the Gumroad or Framer's official marketplace. Slap a price tag of $99 to $149 on it. Why this exact price? Because in the global market, this is the impulse buyers. When a tech product in Europe or Australia see this template, they won't hesitate for a single second. Because instead of hiring a developer for $5,000 and waiting an entire month, spending $150 to buy a world-class ready-made website and launching their startup today is an absolute no-brainer for them. You do the work exactly once. You sit down for 1 week and breathe on tablet. And you sell that exact same digital asset to hundreds of startups around the world over and over again. Open a free account on Framer today, generate your first template content with ChatGPT, and start building your asset in the global software company. In my next video, I am going to show you exactly how to use Twitter and LinkedIn to push this template directly in front of eyes of high-ticket global buyers. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.